In today's video, I'm about to reveal a game-changing digital marketing strategy that can help you earn over $500 a day, all without showing your face. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's been exploring online income streams, this method is designed to be straightforward, effective, and scalable. Let's dive right into it. The power of faceless content. One of the biggest misconceptions in digital marketing is that you need to appear on camera to make money online, but that's simply not true. The beauty of faceless content is that you can build a profitable business without ever stepping in front of the camera. Imagine creating videos, articles, or posts that generate income while keeping your privacy intact. This strategy relies on creating valuable content around specific niches that attract an audience. By focusing on trending topics, evergreen content, or solving problems, you can reach a wide audience without revealing your identity. This opens doors for people who are camera shy or prefer to stay out of the public eye. Finding your niche. To start making money with faceless digital marketing, the first step is selecting a niche that aligns with your interests or expertise. This is crucial because you want to create content that you're passionate about. The more focused your niche, the easier it becomes to target a specific audience. The goal is to tap into markets that have high demand but aren't overly saturated. Think of niches like fitness tips for busy professionals, digital product reviews, tech gadgets, or personal finance hacks. These topics consistently attract people who are willing to invest in solutions to their problems. Once you pinpoint your niche, you'll need to consistently create content that addresses the needs and desires of your target audience. Content creation without showing your face. Now let's talk about how you can create content without showing your face. There are several methods to do this effectively. For instance, if you want to create YouTube videos, you don't need to be on camera. Use screen recordings, voiceovers, and text slides to deliver value. For blog posts or articles, all you need is well-researched, high-quality writing that provides actionable information. Podcasts are another excellent option. People listen to them for and entertainment, not necessarily to see who's behind the microphone. For social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok, create posts with high-quality images, animations, or infographics. With the right tools and creativity, you can build a brand without being on camera. Affiliate marketing, your gateway to passive income. One of the most powerful ways to make money online through faceless digital marketing is affiliate marketing. This strategy involves promoting products or services and earning a commission when someone purchases through your unique link. You don't need to create your own products. You don't even need to handle customer service. Affiliate marketing allows you to monetize your content with the heavy lifting, finding affiliate programs that align with your niche, whether it's tech products, health supplements, or educational courses. You can integrate affiliate links naturally with your content, whether in your blog posts, YouTube videos, or media posts. The key to success here is providing honest and helpful recommendations that genuinely solve your audience's problems. Paid ads and monetization methods. Another facet of this strategy involves leveraging paid advertisements. You don't need to have a large social following to use ads effectively. With platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Instagram Ads, you can target your ideal customer directly, even with a smaller budget. Paid ads can help you boost your affiliate commissions or promote your own digital products, whether it's an ebook, online course, or downloadable resources. Once you have a solid content foundation and understanding of your audience, running ads becomes a reliable method for scaling your income. Mind that the key to paid ads is testing and optimization. The more you experiment, the better you'll become at identifying profitable campaigns. Building an email list for long-term success. A crucial element of faceless digital marketing is building an email list. An email list allows you to cultivate a direct relationship with your audience. Think of it as your own VIP club where you control the communication. By offering something of value, like a free ebook, checklist, or resource guide, you can encourage visitors to subscribe to your newsletter. With an email list, you can continuously nurture leads and send out tailored offers. This is a long-term strategy that works well with affiliate marketing and digital products. The beauty of an email list is that you're not reliant on social media algorithms to reach your audience. You can send personalized messages to people who are already interested in what you offer, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Leveraging social media for organic growth. Even though you're not showing your face, social media is still a powerful tool to drive traffic to your content. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter can generate significant traffic to your blog, YouTube channel, or affiliate offers. With consistent posting and strategic use of hashtags, you can grow your audience organically. You can share valuable tips, inspirational quotes, and snippets from your content to spark engagement. As you continue to grow your presence on social media, you can connect with influencers, collaborate on promotions, or even run contests to drive more visibility. Remember, it's not about how many followers you have. It's about having engaged followers who are interested in your content. Scaling your income through digital products. One of the most scalable aspects of faceless digital marketing is creating and selling digital products. These products can be anything from online courses to ebooks to printable templates. Unlike physical products, digital products can be sold on autopilot, allowing you to make money while you sleep. The beauty of digital products is that they can be created once and sold repeatedly without much ongoing effort. When you're promoting your digital products, you can use email marketing, social media ads, and affiliate marketing to reach your target audience. The key is to create high-quality products that provide immense value to your customers. Once you have a few digital products in place, they can become a major source of passive income. Analyzing and optimizing for consistent growth. Finally, in faceless digital marketing, it's essential to constantly analyze and optimize your strategy. Track key metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, and affiliate earnings. Tools like Google Analytics, affiliate dashboards, and email campaign insights provide valuable data to help you make informed decisions. The key to sustained success is not just creating content, but refining your approach based on what works best. Don't be afraid to pivot or adjust your strategy based on feedback and data. The beauty of digital marketing is that it's constantly evolving, and with a data-driven mindset, you can continue to grow your income without showing your face. There you have it, a faceless digital marketing strategy that can help you earn over $500 a day. The beauty of this approach is that it's scalable, flexible, and doesn't require you to reveal your identity or appear on camera. Whether you're diving into affiliate marketing, creating your own digital products, or leveraging paid ads, you can build a sustainable online business with the right strategy. If you're serious about starting your online business, the key is consistency and adaptation. Keep experimenting with different methods, track your results, and refine your approach over time. Success in digital marketing is about building systems that work for you, even when you're not actively working on them. Stay persistent, and soon enough, you'll start seeing those $500 plus days. If you found this video helpful and are ready to start your own faceless digital marketing journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'll be sharing more tips and strategies to help you succeed in the world of online income. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let's continue the conversation.